Hi there. We've got a question for you. How are you coping with your current circumstances and all the stress it brings?
What if you could experience that stress differently and see it from a new perspective? What if you could bounce back quicker so you feel like you're in control of your life, in the driving seat and running the show rather than feeling overwhelmed all the time?
If you answered yes to any of those questions, then keep listening, because we have your solution.
I'm Philippa from the Rise and Shine Academy, and this is my partner in Shine, Bertie. We move people from overwhelm to calm and resilience with our coaching and hypnosis programs.
We're both coaches, hypnotherapists, and rapid transformational therapists. And we've come together to create an academy because we are passionate and dedicated about helping people break free from whatever is holding them back.
We want to make life easier and more manageable, particularly in the challenging times that we find ourselves living in. We know that stress is part of life and you can't escape it, but you can change your perspective of it and manage it in a much better way.
Our 21-day collection program called Befriend Stress and Become Emotionally Resilient will give you all the tools you need to make stress your ally and not your enemy. Just imagine that.
Our mission is to help as many people as possible, so please don't be fooled by the crazy low price of £21 for 21 days for coaching and hypnosis. We've made our programs affordable because we want everyone to have access to this knowledge.
After all, feeling a sense of calm and peace when there is chaos going on around you should be available to everyone and anyone who wants it.
Let us be your guides on this journey to you becoming emotionally resilient and viewing stress through fresh eyes.
What have you got to lose? Only £21, so follow the link to find out more.
We look forward to meeting you at the Rise and Shine Academy.